Good afternoon to everyone. Dr. Samir Kamath, the Director General, Naval Sciences and Materials. Mr. G.N. Rao, who is with me here, the Director General, Industry Coordination. And Mrs. Ranjana, who is also with me here. And very important team, the NPOL team, the Director, Mr. Vijayan Pillai, and all the scientists who are present there, who have contributed immensely in the development of this UV disinfectant for the luggage in the airports. And Mr. Karunakar Reddy, the MD of Apollo Microsystems and his team, entire team who are present, and all other friends, once again, very good afternoon. This is also a very important occasion in the COVID-related activities and the period of pandemic of COVID, wherein the country has developed many products to fight against the COVID. This is one of the important developments which has been carried out by the DRDO laboratory NPOL in Cochin, which actually they have installed the first one in the Cochin airport itself as soon as they developed it. And the Airports Authority of India has accepted that product and got it installed in Cochin airport. And the first flight, when it landed from outside the country, the baggage has been disinfected using this particular equipment what has been made by NPOL. And I congratulate all the NPOL scientists who have participated and who have contributed to this development of this equipment. I also congratulate NPOL for developing many other products related to COVID. I'm not talking about anything today to connected to the defense. Even in the defense, this is one laboratory which has contributed immensely for the Indian Navy. The products, the technologies which they have developed, we are very confidently able to tell everyone, and everyone accepts that we are self-reliant in those technologies of sonars. And they have, with the knowledge what they have gained there, they have developed many products, and this is one of the products. And I also congratulate Apollo Microsystems, who has been working with the DRDO since long. I think I met Mr. Karunakar Reddy in the year 1987, if I'm right, or 88. That is the first time I met him, and he started working with DRDO. And in fact, he's working more with the naval laboratories, NSTL, NPOL, and all that, developing many systems for torpedoes and what are required for the sonar applications and all that. He has been working very hard in the last almost about 35 years and brought up this organization, Apollo Microsystems, to this shape today. Has put his name, and AMS stands tall today in the defense industries of the country. And they have taken up this technology and made this equipment now in a real professional manner. In fact, other day in the discussions with the Airports Authority of India, where the Apollo Microsystems had participated in the discussions, and my scientist, Mrs. Ranjana, who was also there, was telling me that these people were able to clarify everything what they were asking and could make them convinced that this is a fantastic product which actually to be put in all the airports of the country. So I congratulate Apollo Microsystems for taking up such a important job, and I am sure that they will be able to produce this product in numbers for varieties of requirements. Once there is a technology, the products will be many, which can be tweaked for various applications. And I was just discussing with my colleagues here, it's not just supplying here in the country in our various airports. Yes, we should continue, we should pursue, and we should install in the various international airports, particularly in the country. And we will also support you. And I have already spoken to the Secretary of Civil Aviation about it. And that's how that meeting also took place at the Airports Authority of India. And I want you to go further ahead. Probably we should actually standardize this equipment to, we will talk to the BIS people here, the Bureau of Indian Standards, and we can actually frame some standards for this. And you should get certified as per the standards here. Then what happens is you will be able to supply this to the entire world. Today, I don't think these products are available anywhere else. So this process, I can put somebody here, my director quality, who is present here in the DRDO headquarters, or somebody to tie up with the Bureau of Indian Standards. And I will also put in a word to that secretary, whoever is there. And quickly, if you can do that and standardize this equipment, then this can be supplied to the entire world. This is another important activity what needs to be looked into it and to be done. And you also see that the safety measures what are required for the people who are handling this and should be very carefully thought about, and all the safety measures have to be brought into the equipment so that there is no single case of anywhere any person who is dealing with this, who is pushing the luggage, who is picking the luggage, and all that is not affected at all. This is one thing. And similarly, the energy what is required to kill the virus in a short span of that luggage passing through that UV light, I think UVC, also should be sufficiently ensured that a small variation in the speed, if it is little faster here and there, also you are able to ensure that the entire virus is disinfected or killed. This is another important aspect what both NPOL and AMS have to see into it and see that. And I also want to tell AMS, DRDO has developed many products. I think the products count is close to over 60 or 65 products have been made. You can also look into it, and we have made it open to many industries, and there is no TOT fee or anything. And TOT is also made very simple. The lab directors have been empowered to make the TOT without coming to headquarters also. They can give the TOT and you can take it. In fact, a similar product in this, the DIAT Pune has developed a microwave-based disinfectant. So that actually, if for items wherein you want to kill anything is inside also, that sort of a thing also can be disinfected using that equipment. Even those you can look into it and make the products with the quality. Uh, the first machine what you made to the last machine what you make also should be with the same quality, and try to improve the products in many ways to the world's expectation, and supply in the country and supply it outside. I once again congratulate you for taking up this job and coming out with this product. And definitely, you are from an industry and you should flourish. So try to market the product such a way, and we are there to help our industries who have worked with us, and make the country proud and make the country prosperous by selling it all over the world. So once again, heartiest congratulations to all of you, particularly the NPOL team and AMS team. And I wish that you will be able to come up with many more products. All the best. God bless you. Jai Hind.